Hi guys, this is Frosty. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a quick review about WordHero, and you can see all the features and how good is the quality of the content created by WordHero in just 5 minutes. So let's begin. So when you log into WordHero, this is the dashboard. This is what you're going to see. It offers a lot of different features in the dashboard. So you can see they offer blog headlines, blog intros, blog outlines, blog paragraphs. They also allows you to write email subject lines, cold emails, generic emails, and also welcome emails. So if you want to use it to create blog posts or email, also no problem. They have a bunch of other options for you as well. For example, you can do video description, video ideas, and video titles. And then they have a simple rewriter inside in the dashboard, but to be very honest with you, the rewriter is not very good. Okay, so the good thing about WordHero actually lies in the editor part. So I'm going to show you how to use WordHero to create articles in a in lightning speed. Okay, so what you need to do is that you just need to key in your title. For example, how to meditate, right? How to meditate for beginners. Okay, so for example, I want to write this article. So what I need to do is that I can generate the blog outline. There are three buttons here for you to generate the blog outline, for you to generate the paragraphs, and for you to write more. Okay, so what we do now is we just generate the blog outline. So what I usually do is that I will generate 3 times the outline, so I get more ideas on what I can actually write on. So give you a few seconds for it to load. As you can see, this is one of the cons when it comes to WordHero, is that it generates the words character by character, so it can be a little bit slower compared to other AI writing tools. But I love WordHero, and I will tell you why later. Okay, let it load for once more. Okay, last time. Okay, now what we're gonna do is that I'm gonna filter through the outline, and then I will just leave the one I want to write, I want to expand on. Okay, so what is meditation? Okay, what is the benefits of meditation? Okay, so how to get started? Okay, how to get started? Okay, this is good. Breathing exercise, body scan, guided. Okay, this is good. How to meditate step by step. This one is ready. How to meditate. How to meditate. So let me quickly create an outline from all these points he generated for me. Okay, this one, no. How to focus. Okay, so what is meditation? What is the benefit of meditation? How to meditate? And then these are the points. So when I highlight it, it gives me more options. So I can bold it, I can italicize it, I can use H1, H2, H3, and H4 head text, and then hashtags, and then I can use number list, bullet point list, and the other, this what do you call it, make it left, make it right, and make it center. Okay, so I don't want to mess with that. Okay, so conclusion, this one is redundant. Okay, these are the points I've generated from the outline button, and then now I want to start creating content for it. So what I need to do is that I just need to leave some space here. How to meditate for beginners, and then I start to click on the blog paragraphs, and it will start to generate paragraphs for me. Okay, so you see it starts to generate the paragraphs for me already. Okay, so you can look at the quality of the content. It says that meditation is an ancient practice that has been used for centuries to promote physical and mental well-being. Today, meditation is practiced by people of all faiths and backgrounds as a means of relaxation, stress relief, and improving overall health. If you are new to meditation, there are a few things you can do to get started. All right, very good. So what is meditation? I think this one is already answered. So I just do, should I actually generate a paragraph for it? So let me see, okay. I believe it will provide me definitions of the meditation. Oh, okay, it's redundant. So I didn't script this up. So you can see sometimes the AI writing tool can generate redundant or repetitive content. So that is why you need to read through the content and filter it. Okay, so what I can do is that, oh, it's already going on into the benefits. Okay, so what I can do is that I will delete the benefits, and then I will just delete this one. So today's meditation is practiced by people, blah blah blah. And then what is meditation? So meditation is an ancient blah blah blah. Okay, so that's good enough. I make it h2 and let's move on. Next is the benefits of meditation. So what I can do is that I will do the paragraph. Okay, meditation has been shown to provide a number of health benefits. Okay, good. It starts talking about the benefits of meditation. Okay, this is what sometimes you will experience, is that sometimes the paragraph it generated does not suit your objective. So what you can do is that you just highlight it again and generate another paragraphs. You can do this multiple times until you found the paragraphs you want eventually, or you can generate a few times and then you sort the paragraphs yourself. All right. Okay, it starts talking about the benefits of meditation again. Okay, so it's up to you if you want to generate more content for more paragraphs for these benefits of meditation, or you can just use what it has and then just move on. So maybe let's say this one, I like it, so let's just move on to how to meditate. Okay, so let me generate a paragraph. So far there are already 311 words generated by WordHero. Okay, it starts with mindfulness meditations. So what you can do is that sometimes you can just go and Google how to meditate for beginners, and you can see what are the subheadlines or what are the points that is used by the other existing content out there, and then you just type in the subheadings here, and then you can have the WordHero to generate the content for you. Okay, so let's move on and generate more content. How to meditate, make it h2. Okay, so there are actually three buttons: outline, paragraphs, and the write more button. But usually I don't use the write more button. If I do not like the paragraphs, I just highlight the subheadings and I do a new paragraph, because sometimes the write more button can be a little bit glitchy. So for example, let me just show you what I mean by that. So let's say I want to do write more, and then you can see sometimes it's a little bit glitchy. Okay, it works this time. Okay, see, this is it gives me weird text. Okay, so let's say it generates me 4 points already, so I can actually go in each of these points like this. Make sure you're in a comfortable position, leave some space, and then I can generate more paragraphs for this point if I want to expand on this. I don't use this one, I just use the paragraph directly. Okay, what I usually do is that I will delete the first sentence, because the first sentence is usually redundant, but for this case it's okay. So you can see it actually elaborate more compared to the initial sentence that it gave me. Okay, so I can do this for each of these points, so you get the idea. So I can continue to do this, and then I just spend a few minutes and you can see it's already reached 673 words. So if you want to generate a 1400 words articles, you just times 2 the time of just times 2 the time which I've already used so far. So it's very super easy and quick to use WordHero. And I want to tell you a few things I like and I do not like about WordHero compared to other AI writing tools out there. Is that WordHero, I think the quality of the content is superb. It's remarkable compared to the other AI writing tool, because the other AI writing tool, they can generate long form content, but there's no substance in the paragraph. So it is meant to generate a long form content for the sake of generating a long form content. When a human actually reads it, they will find there's no important points. It's pointless to actually read the content. So if you want to write a blog post that is meant to capture your audience and make them to come back to your blog for more, then I will recommend you to use WordHero because of the quality of the content. Yes, it generates the words character by character. It can be a bit slower, and then it requires you to do manual adjustment, like how I showed you just now. Generate outlines a few times and then arrange it, filter through it, and then you have to go in and filter which point you like and which point you do not like. Yes, it requires manual work, but it worth the time, right? So that's all about WordHero. If you like to use WordHero, I put my affiliate link down this video, and if you want to support the channel and use the affiliate link, I thank you so much. And if you have any questions about WordHero, you can put it in the comment section and I see what can help you. Okay, see you in the next video. This is Frosty checking out. Bye.